Jai Hind children, welcome to back in computer class. Today we will learn here how to create a table and how to inserting a table, and then after how can insert a table without insert dialogs box. Inserting a table without insert table dialogs box. Then after, how can add a row above or below? How can add a column to the left or right? How can delete a row? How can delete a column? How can deleting a table? What is a formatting a table or format a table? How can formatting a cell? How can formatting cells? Like split a cell, merging cells, and how can add a border to a table? How can applying shading to the cells? Now we can start let's start how can create a table. Before that, we should know what is table. A table is a grid of row and columns. A table is a grid of rows and columns. The data presented in the tables gives a quick idea of the information. A table is easy to read and understand. Let us see how can create a table. MS Word provides a powerful features of presenting the information in a tabular form. You should know a word table should have at least one column and one row. Yes, our table should have at least one column and one row. A table may grow up from a small size to a very big size. It contains rows and columns. Now see how can create a table in your document. How can insert a table in your document? Both are same, but there is in three way you can insert or you can create a table in your documents. You know, you can insert a table by in three ways: choosing from a selection of pre-formatted tables complete with simple data, or by selecting the number of rows and columns that you want, and you can insert a table into a document. Yes, first open Microsoft Word. In that you want to create a table. Click on Start button and choose all programs or all apps and scroll down to find Microsoft Word. Now blank documents. See, it is ready for that. How can insert a table? First, click where you want to insert a table. Suppose I want to insert a table. click on insert tab. It is the tabs. Click on insert tab and in the table group, it is the table group. Yes, it is a table group. In that table group, click the table and then under insert table, it is the insert table. When you have to click on here, a dialog box will be appear. Click on it. See, insert table, it is a dialog box. By default, here is given number of column is 5 and number of rows is 2. It is a depend on you, number of columns and number of row, and then click on OK. Suppose I want to change number of columns is 5 is here, I want to change into 6, and number of rows is only 2, I want to 3, and then click on OK button. Yes, you know, maximum number of columns in a word table can be only 63. Columns can be only 63. And rows, you know, maximum number of rows in the word table can be 32,767. Yes, maximum number of columns is in word table can be 63. Columns is maximum number of columns in word 63, and rows, number of rows 32,767. Yes, then click on OK button and see it is a 6 column is here. First, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. It is a column. And row, yes, it is a row, first row, it is the second row and it is the third row. Yes, first row, it is the first row, second row and third row. It is the rows. Yes students, first click on insert button and choose Microsoft Word or choose from here all apps, all programs, and then after scroll down to find Microsoft Word 2016 is here. Click on here. This dialog box will be appear. Choose a blank document to open and it is ready for to creating your table. There is a 3 way to create your table. First way is here. Click on insert tab and choose the table group. It is a table group and choose the table and then insert table. Then after this dialog box will be appear. It is the by default given number of columns 5 and number of rows 2 and click on OK. See, there is a first column, second column, third column, fourth column and fifth column. 2 rows, first row and second row. This is the first row and it is the second row. Yes, maybe you have understood how can create a table in your document. Very simple. Once again I want to repeat. First method, click on insert tab and use table group and click on table. Yes, and then after insert table, a dialog box will be appear. Insert table, number of column and number of rows, it is a depend on you. If you want to increase or decrease from here, you can click on that or type here. Suppose here is a 5 is there, you want to click to up, it is a 6, and here is a 2. If you want to more, click on 1 for 3, and then after click on OK button, then it will be inserted. Yes, it is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth column, and this is the first row, and it is the second row, and it is the third row. Maybe you have understood. Second method, how can create or how can insert a table in your document. Yes, click on insert. Once again choose a table group, it is a table group. Then after click on table and choose, it is the grid lines, it is the pre-formatted tables. Yes, suppose there is a 5 and 2 or more, it is a depend on you. You can see, yes, 5 columns and 3 rows. Now it is inserted. Rows is here, first and second and third, and column is here, first column, second column, third column, fourth column and fifth column. It is the second way to insert or create a table in your document. And see the third way to insert a table in your document. Click on insert once again and choose the table group and click on table, then draw table. Yes, and drag your mouse where you want to draw this table or insert this table. Yes, now then after you have to first column, second column, third column, fourth and fifth column, and from here to here drag it for rows. And suppose you want to one row more, select, drag from here to here, and then after it will be created. So it is the first rows, it is the second row, and it is the third row, and column, first column, second column, third column, fourth column and fifth column is here. Very simple to insert a table in your document. Now how can add a row above or below? Yes, before that insert table and select that I want to add or insert rows. So first, below or up, right click and see there is given insert and choose the insert row above and insert row below. It is a depend on you which you want. Suppose you want to below. Yes, see, now it is the inside the below. Our second method, suppose I want to once again insert row above or insert row below. Select which row where you have to add and click on insert. Select, suppose I want to add rows above or below. Select that cell where you have to add cells, add rows. Right click and choose insert above and it will be added. Yes, you can see here it will be added. And next one, suppose how can add column to left or right? You have to here right click cells and insert column to the left, insert column to the right. If you have to choose right, you can see one row has created from this cell to right side. Suppose I want to cell color change, then after you can easily find. Yes, very simple. First I want to change that color, then after I want to insert the right side of this column. Right side, click, right click on the mouse button and choose the insert. Then after insert column to the right, it will be inserted to right of this. Yes, you can see here it is inserted to right side. And suppose you want to left side, means this side. Once again select and insert to left side. Yes, now it is inserted left side. How can you delete a row? Very simple. Suppose you want to delete this row. I want to first and second and third and fourth. I want to delete third row. You want to delete third row. Yes, right click and delete cell. See, dialog box will be appear. Shift cell left or up. Yes, you choose the up. No. Yes, once again you have to select that rows which you want to delete and right click of that and delete cell, delete rows. left. Once again, suppose you want to delete this rows, select that rows and right click of the mouse button and delete cell and choose shift cell left and it will be deleted. Same method. How can delete column? You can see here there is a 7 columns are there which you want to delete. Suppose you want to delete this column number 5. Select that column and right click and click the delete column. It will be deleted. See, number 5 has been deleted. Suppose you want to delete third number. Third column is there. Select that column which you want to delete and right click of the mouse button and choose delete columns and it will be deleted. Maybe you have understood how can delete a column, how can delete a row, how can add a row, how can delete a row, how can add a column, how can delete a column. Yes students, I want to repeat that intersection of a column and a row is called cell. Columns are vertical lines and rows are horizontal lines. Columns are vertical lines and rows are horizontal lines. Yes, maximum number of columns in a word table can be only 63. Maximum number of columns in a table can be only 63 and maximum number of rows in a word table can be 32,767. Maximum number of rows in a word table can be 32,767. Yes students, how can you insert, how can you delete a table? How can delete a table? Let us see. I want to share my screen to say it. You can delete the whole table, or you can delete only the contents of the table and keep the structures of rows and columns. Select that one. Suppose I want to select and press the delete button of the keyboard. Now you can say it is the deleted. Very simple. First, in print layout view, raise the pointer on the table. See this 4 handles, means 4 head arrow is there, means it is a move handle. Appear on the click and table move handle and press the back space. It will be deleted. Means 2 methods you can delete your table. Yes, students, maybe you have understood how to insert a table, how to create a table, how can you add a row, how can you add a column, how can delete a column, how can delete a row, how can delete a table. Maybe you have understood. Take care. Bye bye.